Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hey, today I've got a Tekton tool for you. I know it's been a little bit since I covered them, but decided to pick this up at a Rural King, by all places, of all places, this week. It is the Every Bit 2830. It is a small bit driver set for like your electronics and stuff, or a precision toolkit, if you will. Let's bring y'all in up here and let's go over it. Okay, like I said, this is the Tekton 27-piece precision toolkit. It's the Every Bit set. The model number is 2830. Let's take this apart and check out what we got. So it comes in this nice little case. Comes with a driver, with a top that spins, makes it a little easier. Honestly, I don't remember what this is called. I'll have to look. It is called a spudger or a pry tool. Okay. And it comes with 2 rows of bits. So that's 20 bits, some security torques here, a couple of regular torques, some Phillips, some flathead, and I don't see any Allen wrenches. So that's a negative. But it's also got a couple of nut drivers. Now let's compare these. So you want to know just how small these are. Here's a number 2. And here is I think it says it's a TRI1 or maybe a 7. So that shows you the difference. Let's see it in here. So here's one of our first issues. And let me go get you something to compare. Okay. Let's pull this one out and let's get us a T7. This is a Craftsman T7. I've had this for, this is one of my first sets of precision. And all the Phillips heads are inside the house. So here's our first problem. Let me bring this in here. See how big the shaft is on this and the shaft is on this. So if you're whatever you're taking loose is in a recessed area, it's going to be harder. It's going to be harder to get it with this one. This one will go further and deeper. This will be harder to get in there. That's the biggest problem with these bit sets. Even in the bigger version, that's the biggest problem. So if you've got a recessed hole, these might not go in. But other than that, this was like 14 bucks. So for that price, it's nice to have. But these can get expensive if you go trying to buy quality ones that cover as much as this does. Now, when I say quality, Weha makes a set like this that are a bunch of different ones. I have got another one that I'll do a review on later. And this is a Weha. I bought it from Amazon. And I got from I got a deal on it by buying it through Amazon warehouse where it was used or something. So this is the same way though. It's no better than this. You've got, you know, a shaft and a pretty small deal. And maybe we'll look into another set, but I don't use them enough anymore to have to fool with them. I used to use them a lot building computers, but they're nice to have around. Tekton set. Would I buy this again? Yes. It'd be very nice to have handy. Matter of fact, I think this one is going to go into the house so that we can use it in the house when we need it, while my others stay out here in the garage. For less than $14, you can't beat it. I really don't know how much it is on the Tekton site, where you probably should be buying anything that Tekton, but I bought this at Rural King, and I might have saved some money if I'd have got it on the site. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll put a link to this below, to the Tekton site. Like I said, very nice kit, and I think it's worth keeping in your toolbox. Even if you've got, you know, something like this. This is at least 10 years old, if not older. I really have no idea other than that. But like we know, Craftsman, well, this was made in the USA. Craftsman isn't owned by Sears anymore, and things have changed. But y'all take care. Hey, thank you for watching. I appreciate everything y'all do. Click that like button, please, and subscribe if you hadn't, and tell your friends about me. Thank you.